The pyramids rising on the Giza Plateau are immortal monuments of stone. They are not just colossal tombs, but also the bearers of some of human history's greatest engineering secrets. Each one stands before us as a product of wisdom and labor that defies time. The Great Pyramid, or the Pyramid of Khufu, once reached a height of about 146 meters. This massive structure was built from millions of stone blocks. Each block weighed several tons, and all were placed with extraordinary precision. One of the biggest questions still debated today is how these stones were transported and transformed into such a perfectly structured monument. Archaeologists and engineers propose different theories about the methods used to construct the pyramids: colossal ramps, lever systems, and an incredibly organized workforce. The strongest possibility suggests that thousands of laborers and masters worked within a planned and disciplined organization. This wasn't just a construction project, it was one of the greatest collective projects in human history. The exterior surface of the pyramids was covered with polished limestone. This casing, which literally glittered in the sunlight, added both grandeur and sanctity to the structure. Precise measurements proved the stonemason's knowledge of geometry and engineering. This precision wasn't merely an aesthetic choice, it also played a critical role in increasing the structure's durability. The interior of the pyramids had a far more complex structure than one might guess from the outside. The King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery carried symbolic meanings as well as functionality. The Grand Gallery in particular offered an extraordinary engineering solution both for its magnificent design and its purpose in balancing the structural loads. The astronomical connections are one of the most fascinating aspects of the pyramids. The fact that the faces align with the four cardinal directions with near-perfect accuracy points to ancient Egypt's knowledge of the sky. Some researchers believe that the pyramids are related to the stars, and specifically to the Orion constellation. This suggests that the structure may not only have been a tomb, but also a symbol of a sacred connection to the cosmos. For many years, it was thought that the pyramids were built by slaves. However, archaeological findings have revealed a different truth. Villages of the workers, remains showing their diet, and tombs have been discovered. These findings suggest that those who built the pyramids were actually skilled artisans and laborers. They were a privileged community who took part in one of the greatest projects of that era. Modern research shows that the pyramids still hold secrets. Muon scans conducted in recent years have revealed previously unknown voids and corridors. The function of these voids remains uncertain. Some believe they are chambers designed to maintain structural balance, while others speculate they could be undiscovered rooms. These discoveries prove that the pyramids are still full of mysteries waiting to be solved. The pyramids are more than just colossal structures made of stone. They are also symbols reflecting the organization, beliefs, and technology of ancient Egyptian society. Many elements, from the workers' villages to the storehouses, from the port remains to the religious rituals, show that a massive societal effort lay behind the pyramids. Today, the Giza pyramids are one of humanity's most visited historical sites. However, increasing tourism and environmental threats are making the preservation of these monuments more important than ever. Protecting them is a responsibility not only to the past, but also to the future. The pyramids leave us with two powerful lessons. The first is a reminder of what human beings can achieve with organized labor and knowledge. The second is that history is still full of mysteries. Every new discovery encourages us to ask more questions. There are still unanswered questions within these stones, and archaeology continues to solve them. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more architectural secrets and unforgettable stories of the past. See you in the next video.